Right, welcome to Madhu Math Funda. Today topic is geometric progression, GP. Right, in geometric progression we need four terms. First one is what is the last term? Chivari padam enti. Next one, what is sum of terms? ఇచ్చినటువంటి సిరీస్లో ఉన్న మొత్తం పదాల మొత్తం ఎంత? నెక్స్ట్ వన్, సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ టర్మ్స్ sum. Okay, now see here, we'll see one example. Let 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 8 comma 16 and so on. Whether given series is arithmetic progression or geometric progression, we can find by two things. If the difference is common, then it is arithmetic progression. If the difference not difference, if the ratio is common, for example, common ratio CR, common ratio is equal to A2 by A1 or A3 by A2, A3 by A2. For example, see the common ratio CR is equal to right 2 by 1, or why first term is A1, second term is A2, third term is A3, like that. Again 4 by 2. So then all the cases what you are getting common ratio as 2. So like that, if there is a common ratio, then I can say that given series is geometric progression. I can say that given series is geometric progression. In any geometric progression, for example, you are seeing example 2 1 2 4 8, right, 16, right, 32. Now see this one, this is the term A1, that is the first term, and this is the term A2, and this is what A3, and this is what A4, and this is what A5, and this is what A6. If you see, the first term is A only, and the second term is AR square. What is the common difference you are having? 2. Sorry, second term is AR, not AR square, it is AR. Right, second term is AR. Then the next term, third term is AR square. Then the fourth term is AR cube. See, every time if the first term is A, second term is AR, third term is AR square, fourth term is AR cube. So if you are finding the fourth term, the R is 1 less than that. Okay, right, like this we can do. If the fifth term means what here? A R power 4. So if the term is 5, the R power is 1 less than that. That is nothing but simply the geometric progression is always AR square and so on. The nth term is nothing but A into R to the power of n minus 1. A into R to the power of n minus 1. So this is what the series is going on. Okay. So geometric progression is always AR square and so on, AR to the power of n minus 1. This is the last term Tn. So in any geometric progression, the last term Tn is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. Remember this one forever. So this is the first thing. Then what is the next thing? Sum of the terms. For example, sum S is equal to A plus AR plus AR square plus and so on. The nth term is A into R to the power of n minus 1. Now multiply this S with R. Then what happened? AR plus AR square plus AR cube plus and so on. What is the last term we will get? So a into r to the power of n minus 1 into r is nothing but simply a r to the power of n. Now very simple, this is equation number 1, right? This is equation number 2. Subtract equation 1 minus equation 2. What happened? Now AR going to be cancelled, AR square going to be cancelled. Similarly AR cube going to be cancelled, AR to the power of n minus 1 and before AR to the power of n minus 1 cancel. The leftover things are what here? The leftover things are a into r to the power of n is leftover and a is leftover. So now let's see, that is s minus sr is equal to a into a minus a into r power n. Now take s common, what happened? 1 minus r is equal to a into 1 minus r power n. Okay, now s is equal to what will happen? A into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. So this is a thing, right? You can remember forever, that is sum of terms in any geometric progression is s is equal to a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. So this is a term when s is equal to a into 1 minus r whole power n divided by 1 minus r. This is possible when 1 is less than r. This is when it is means 1 is greater than r. 1 r kante peddaga unte, then we can say like this, right? When it is possible means r is less than 1. If r is greater than 1, s is equal to a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. When it is possible means if r is greater than 1. Alright, now listen carefully. So this is s is equal to a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1 when r is greater than 1. The next one is, if you see the series 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27 and so on, the common ratio r is equal to a2 by a1. The second term is 1 by 3 divided by 1. Common ratio is always what here? 1 by 3. If the denominator value goes on increases, finally if you going on increases, it reaches to what here? 0. That is nothing but r power n value must be what? 0. Substitute r power n value 0 in sum. S is equal to a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. Substitute r power n value is 0, then what will become? S is equal to a by 1 minus r. So in this geometric progression, we learned Tn is equal to a into r power n minus 1. Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. This is valid when 1 is greater than r. And again Sn is equal to a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1 when r is greater than 1. Okay, now we will discuss some of the examples in geometric progression which is given in a previous years. Now let's see the example in geometric progression, right? What is given? Yeah, 9, 99, 999, 4 nines and so on, t100. Find the sum. He is asking this question, that is 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus and so on. He is asking t100 terms. He is asking this. Whether this progression is in geometric progression or not, first we need to check. So now see the common ratio r is equal to what here? 99 by 9. You are getting 11. And again, what is the common ratio? 999 divided by 99. What happened? You are not getting the common ratio as same. So you are not getting the common ratio means definitely this progression is not a, right, is not a geometric progression. Is not a geometric progression. Then how to do? We need to get the geometric progression. How we need to get geometric progression? Let's see. So very simple. You are having a question like, now listen, that is 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus and so on, t100. Now this I can write 10 minus 1, that is 10 power 1 minus 1. And again plus this is I can write that is 10 square minus 1, right? Again this is I can write what here, 10 cube minus 1 plus and so on, what you are having up to 100 terms, right? Now let's see. So you are having a question is like this, that is 9 plus 99 plus and so on plus t100, nothing but yeah, nothing but that is 10 minus 1, right, plus 10 square minus 1 plus and so on plus 10 to the power of 100 minus 1. Now you are having 10 power 1, 10 square and so on up to 10 power 100. Now that is 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus and so on 10 to the power of 100 is 1 series minus you are having, right, you are having like minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, like that. How many terms here? Up to 100 terms, nothing but what here, 100 will come. Now up to here you are having which progression? That is geometric progression. How? The common ratio r is equal to second term 10 square by 10 or third term 10 cube by 10 square. For all the cases you are getting what here, the first term is 10 and the common difference is also be what, 10. Then I know that Sn is equal to, if r is greater than 1, what is a formula? Sn is equal to a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. This is the thing you should learn. That is Sn is equal to what you are having, a is 10, right, into that is 10 to the power of n value is 100 terms, 10 power 100 minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1. Why 10 minus 1? R value is 10. Now you are having Sn is equal to how much here? That is 10 into, that is 10 to the power of 100 minus 1 divided by 9. Now if you see here, there is a one more thing you are having is, so you are having minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 up to where you are, up to minus 100. That is now you are having finally, this one, that is 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube and so on plus 10 to the power of 100 minus you are having here which one here, minus 100. Why minus 1 minus 1 minus 1? Now up to here you already find out that answer. What is that answer you are finding? That is 10 into 10 to the power of 100 minus 1 divided by 9 minus 100. If you take LCM, then what happen? LCM and multiply. 10 into 10 power 100, what will become? 10 to the power of 101 minus 1 into 10 minus 10. If you take LCM, minus 900 divided by how much here? 9. Then what is your answer? The sum is equal to that is 10 to the power of 101 minus 10 minus 900 minus 910 divided by 9, right? Now if you are having like this option or not, let's see. Yes, is your answer is like that or not? Let's see. Yeah. Not this question. We'll see some other question. Yeah. So is there option like that? 10 to the power of 101 minus 910 by 9. Which option is eligible? That is option 1. Clear? So what I am doing, let's see clearly once again. So you are having 9 plus 99 plus, like this you are having. So the question is this one, 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus and so on, sum of 100 terms he is asking. So that's why we are also doing 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus and so on 100 terms. So for 9 I am writing 10 power 1 minus 1, 99 I am writing 10 square minus 1, 999 10 cube minus 1. So like that you are having up to 100 terms, alright. Then next what I am doing, let's, so here every time minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 like that 100 times, nothing but minus 100. So then I am finding the, right, if you see here, this is a geometric progression, that is common ratio second term by first term, third term by second term. For all the cases you are getting the common ratio is, yeah, if you see here, yes, the common ratio is 10 and first term is also be what, 10. Then we are finding, that's what here we are finding 10 into 1, 10 to the power of 100 minus 1 by 9 minus 100, right. We are finding the LCM, then we are getting final answer is this one. Is it clear everybody? Yes. Then see the next question. Yeah, see the next question is given that same question. Let's see the next question is given that, right, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus and so on. He is also asking 100 terms. Now it is not in a what progression here, geometric progression. Then what we will do, very simple, take 5 common. What happen, let's see. Take 5 common, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus and so on plus 100 terms. Yeah, now let's see here and so on up to how many terms here, 100 terms. Now so that is 5 into, again it is also not in geometric progression. Then how, what we will do, multiply and divide with 9. What happen, let's see. 5 by 9 into 9 plus 99 plus and so on plus 100 terms. Now you already know this 100 terms, you already know this sum, last question. Then what the answer will become, that is 5 by 9 into, up to here is 10 to the power of 101 minus 910 divided by 9. Okay, so is there any option like that? Yes, option number A. So like this you can do easily. Okay, so what we are doing is very simple. Here we are writing 5 plus 55 plus 555. It is not in geometric progression, that's why I am taking 5 common. Again it is also not in geometric progression, I am dividing and multiplying with 9, then I am getting a geometric progression. Why? So we already seen this one. Okay, right. See the next question. Yeah, see the 7th term in geometric progression is 8 times the 4th term. Then what will be the first term? If its 5th term is 48, he is given that the 5th term is given as 48, and again the 7th term T7 is 8 times the 4th term. Now I know 7th term is nothing but A into R square, which is equal to 8 into A into R cube. Now A going to be cancelled, that is what here you are having, R cube is equal to 8, then R is equal to what here, 2, right. So R value is getting, then what we will do, I need to find A value, first term. So substitute R value in any one of the equation. Then what happen, let's see. That is equal to, E is given that T5 is equal to what here, 48. That is A into R to the power of 4 is equal to 48. But A into R value is what you are having, 2. That is 2 power 4 is equal to what here, 48. 2 power 4 is what here, 16. So A is equal to 48 by 16. Nothing but the first term will become what here, 3. Then what is the question he is asking? Find what will be the first term? What is the first term you are getting? Yes, it will be 3. Option number C. Right. See the next question. Yeah, the question is given this one, that is 25 whole to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9, right, plus 1 by 27 plus and so on infinity terms. So whether the power is geometric progression or not, check. 1 by 3 comma 1 by 9 comma 1 by 27. If you see the second term by first term, common ratio is equal to second term by first term, again third term by second term, all the values will become what here, r is equal to 1 by 3. Then what we will do, very simple. So if I am getting the common ratio 1 by 3, then what is the first term also you are having, that is 1 by 3. Then you already know that in any geometric progression s infinity is equal to what here, a by 1 minus r. That's what, just substitute in this one, that is 25 whole to the power of the first term is 1 by 3 divided by, and again 1 minus r value is also 1 by 3. Then what you are getting, that is 25 whole to the power of 1 by 3 into, so that is what here, 3 by 2. So 3 going to be cancelled. Then what you are having, 25 whole to the power of 1 by 2, nothing but what you will get, that is square root of 25. What is square root of 25 value? It is 5. Is you are getting correct answer or not? Please check it. Yes, 5. So like this you can do all the geometric type of questions in a very easy manner. Okay, remaining questions we'll discuss in the next class. Okay, right, like this we can do all the questions in a very easy manner. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you. So please suggest to your friends, subscribe and told to them. Thank you very much. Goodbye, take care.